If you're someone who's looking for some new watercolor brushes or just some information, then you can feel free to watch the whole video. I know this is a little bit longer one, but I am going to talk about 3 different sets here. This set of brushes right here is from Transon, and it does say like the size, the brand, and then if it's flat, round, or whatever the styling is. So there's a good variety in this particular set. So you have the large flat one for your backgrounds, and then this is a fun one if you're again somebody who's looking to test out like the different shapes, not just the sizes. So this is a cat's tongue brush, and that's quite large too. You have a little tiny flat one here, and then your standard round ones. So we have a 16 and a 12 here. And then you have your fun little dagger. This one I like to use for leaves, or even if you were doing a certain type of flower, it'll give you like an angle there on some of the petals. And then you have your much smaller one here, and then another flat one. I think there's another long skinny brush that I misplaced because I don't use it a lot, but this set is really great for beginners. It's budget friendly and good quality. And then I have 2 other sets that I'm going to share just so you have a little bit of variety. All of the supplies that I'm talking about here, the brushes, are located in my showcase too if you're looking for links. This set comes in this box here. They have 2 different sizes for this one, so you could get the smaller one and the bigger one from Meeden. Now this set is different because these are mop brushes, and they do hold a good amount of water, but you're not going to get the variety as like I showed with the other one with the dagger brush and the cat's tongue. So it depends on what you're looking for, but these are certainly another budget friendly, great for beginners watercolor brushes here too. So you can see how big these are. Some of the great big ones I don't use all the time, so I do keep them in their storage here. But so if you're someone who likes to paint very large backgrounds, these would be good for you too. You know, and then you still have your much smaller ones. And this last set here is from Artify. Again, this one comes in 2 different sizes, and it's a little bit more comparison to the first set that I showed. I think this is the 12 piece, and I think the other one was 8. Let's see, set them all down. But again, you get the good variety with your standard round brushes here, as well as some really skinny ones for your fine details. It's like these longer ones that I was talking about before, depending on what kind of artwork that you're doing. With some of these lighter bristles, like in the coloring here, you will see some staining. Personally, it doesn't bother me, but that's just something to note, whereas the black brushes, you're not going to see that. So this is a larger mop brush, and then with this set you get the nice filbert, and then here's your dagger, as well as this one here has that nice little angle. Here's a little tiny filbert one, and then just your standard flat ones there. Any one of these sets would be great for beginners, somebody's just starting out in your watercolors, or if you're just somebody who's looking for some extra budget-friendly brushes to keep in your set.